Yarımada döyüş ərazilərinin yeraltı təmizləməsində istifadə olunur.
So in the battle zones we use this the yellow colored device because this is one of the device we use for the mine for finding the mines and used by our personnel in this region.
For finding, you said this one helps identify. What's the difference?
Bu diyelim ki fərqli
Mesela 1 metre, 2 metre derinliğe mesela hansısa bir sursatın
1-2 metre. Bu neyse bunlar bu üsttekileri.
30-40 santim mesela.
So for basically it can detect this one. The first one can detect 1-2 meters down in the down mines, but this one is around 30-40 centimeters.
Bunlar yani mina temizleme, mina sahələrində istifadə olunmur. Mina sahələrində istifadə olunan aparatlar budur. Mine'lar aparatıdır.
Bir de vaxt istifadə olunur burada.
Derinliğe temizleme 1 metre, 2 metre derinliğe temizleme şu sipariş geldi. Sen bile bir yeri istifadə etmek lazım. Derinliğe bak bunlardan istifadə ediyorlar.
Okay, there's after this like special this can take landmines and anti-mines. The landmines are buried. So
Mina sahəsi.
the landmine clearance process is going on. And kinds of landmine clearance going on. The Armenian it was made by Armenians. That's a landmine. It's basically so you just dig the hole in it, so you put it over here. So
Ne diyor? Yine
sonra şu değil burada yani bastırıyorlar.
yani bu da hem Rus İsrail minasıdır.
And another Russian made mine PMN anti-personnel. Bunlar hamısı anti-personnel.
Anti-personal. PMP minalar, plastik, gövdəsi plastik minalardır. Bunlar
This is
qədəyənə minadır.
this is anti-personnel mine. Types of the anti-personnel mines. So put under the main explosive, okay? So they should be a 120 kg. The press on it so it gets exploded.
Bu gözətlər askerlik. Bunlar ancaq bir təhlükə verir, yəni bir sərhəd qorumaq üçün.
Basically, this is the adı neydi bunun?
Mun 50.
So this is the one of the Russian made mine, which is called the Mon 50, but it's the explosive area is basically the forward, not just it's not. Bu toraba bastırılmadı, düzdür?
Bastırılmır, elektrik üstünə idarə olunmalı.
It's not to basically dig into the holes in the ground. So basically, it's an open area. So and they use it basically in the natural zones. At the same time, when they put it in the forest or the tree side, so it can once it gets exploded, it can just make it damage in front of the area that's in front of the mine. So
Yaradır, təbii ki, təhlükə yaradır.
and as well as the landmines and antics, there are the great danger for the people and the IDPs that might come back, so the people that want to settle in. Agents of the Republic of Azerbaijan. So what we do the ordnance people once they even when they might, as you know, so once they see, they shouldn't touch. They should call us that will go and dispose that landmine, either landmine or one of the unexploded ordnance. No, unexploded means exploded yet. So that's what I mean.
My question is, have they lost men while doing this work?
Ne tür adam bitirmiş aktaranlar. Dediğimiz bir adamlar var, sağ bunlar var.
Yəni anam,
Bəli.
2 nəfər.
2 people.
Amma ümumiyyətlə ərazidə bitmişlərə mina hadisələri.
After the second Karabakh war, there were the 260 landmine explosives happened. 73 of those people were killed. I'm sorry. Ben səhv dedim. 470'den hamısı. So qurbanlı yani ölməyib. So 422 people were basically affected by. 3 of those people were killed. 349 of those people were injured. Two of them were killed by the landmine.
For how many years have you been in the process of
Biz neçə ildir bunu davam etdiririk bu
Önder mezgirler elde.
to our great leader Haydar Aliyev legislated that the ANAMA established, and we are active searches and landmine clearancing since 2000.
What
Active.
percentage of land has been cleared, and by when you might finish 100%?
Sen ancak başlayalım.
Do that information right now.
Mhm.
Bəs gözləntimiz nə qədər vaxtdan sonra bunu biz
Yani o
bilərik?
da konkret bir rakam demek olmur da.
Concrete answer of this question,
Ərazinin
because
elə yerlər var
sometimes
ki,
we might be delayed of some of the things that we can't anticipate.
Mhm.
So, but they're doing their best of those cleansing these.
elə əraziler var ki, çiklənmə səviyyəsi aşağıdır.
Some of the places it's really hard to do the operation of the clearance, and depending on how much the polluted the area is.
Mhm.
And some of the places where we have like not much polluted, so it's really easy to cleanse those landmines and tank mines throughout the area. So basically that's.
And by the way, do we have to do this work?
Bizim
Onu
de-
demək istəyirdim mən də.
Ha.
Biz buna baxmayaraq bütün vasitələrdən,
Hmm.
yəni işin daha sürətli getməsi üçün bütün vasitələrdən istifadə edirik. Məsələn,
Hmm.